Hey there, second grade. How's everybody doing today? Welcome to another remote learning math class with Mr. Enzi. So today we're going to be working on lesson 7.2, and this time we're going to keep on adding, but we're not going to be adding two numbers. Today we are going to be adding three numbers. So the last lesson we did, we looked back at our friends of 10 because we noticed how those numbers can help us sometimes. So let's just refresh our friends of 10. If you remember, our friends of 10 involve 0 and 10, 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. All right, so let's take a look. Let's practice. Find the sum. Look for friends of 10. So let's take a look. Let's see what we have here. Our first one, I have 3 plus 7 plus 4. Can anybody see a friend of 10? I call it a little funnel. I kind of connect my friends of 10 because I know that 3 plus 7 equals 10. And then 10 plus 4, well, the 4 is just going to drop right into that hole. So instead of 10, I'm going to put that 4 right into the hole, and I have 14. Let's try next one. 2 plus 6 plus 8. Can anybody find a friend of 10? Yeah, I see it. It's 2 and 8. So I like to draw that little funnel. I make a connection to my friend of 10, and I know that that equals 10. So now I have 10 plus the 6 that I didn't use yet. And the 6 is going to fall right into that hole and give me 10 plus 6 is 16. Oh, let's take a look at the next one. 7 plus 6 plus 3. Can we find a friend of 10? Let's see. 7 plus 6 is not a friend of 10. 6 plus 3 is not a... Oh, 7 and 3 are friends of 10. So I'm going to put down a 10. And then I know 10 plus 6 more is going to give me 16. Here's another example. 9 plus 8 plus 1. Need to find a friend of 10. Yeah, 9 and 1 will equal 10. And then I have 10 plus the 8 I didn't use, and the 8's going to fall right into the hole. And I'm going to end up with 18. Now, we're going to get a little bit harder now, but we're still going to look for that friends of 10. So let's see. Here we have 18 plus 2 plus 7. Now, 2 plus 7 doesn't give me a friend of 10. But 8 and 2 does. Look at this. I see a friend of 10. So I'm going to funnel these two together because 18 plus 2 more is going to give me 20. And then 20 plus the 7 that I didn't use, 7's going to fall right into the hole. 27. Here's another one. 34 plus 8 plus 6. I want to look to see if there's a friend of 10. Sometimes there might not be. Let's see. 4, 8, 6. Oh, the 4 and the 6 will make a friend of 10. So I'm going to connect them. 34 plus 6 more. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, because 4 and 6 is 10. So I have 40 plus the 8 that I did not use yet. The 8 is going to fall right into the hole and give me a total of 48. Here's another one. 7 plus 23 plus 5. Now there's lots of ways that I can do that. I like to check to see if I can find a friend of 10. Let me see. Oh, 7 and 3 will give me a friend of 10. So I have 7 and 3 is 10 plus 20 more. So 23 plus the 7 is going to give me 30. 30 plus the 5 that I didn't use, 5 is going to fall right into that 0. And I'm going to get 35. One more to go. Let's see. See if you can find the friend of 10. 4 plus 82 plus 8. I want to look and see if I can find that friend of 10. 4, 2, 8, oh, 2, and 8 will equal 10. So 2 plus 8 is 10, and I have 80 plus 10. So 80 plus 10 is going to give me 90. 82 plus 8 is also going to give me 90. The 4 is going to fall into the hole, and I'm going to end up with 94. Awesome job. Now, we're also going to be adding three numbers using our partial sums that we've practiced in the past. We've always added two numbers. Well, we're going to stretch it today, make it a little tougher. So remember, with our partial sums, I add up my tens first, and then I add up my ones. So I have two tens, which is 20. I don't have any tens in this number, but I have one 10 in this number. So I have 20 plus 10. What's 20 plus 10? 20 plus 10 is 30. Awesome job. And then I have to add my ones. So I have 5 plus 6 plus 3. Now I can look to see if I have a friend of 10, because that would make things easier. 5, 6, 3. I do not have a friend of 10. So 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 3 more is 12, 13, 14. So 5 plus 6 plus my 3 gives me 14. So this is our partial sums. When I add up my parts, 30 plus 14 gives me 44. One more for us to try. Let's see. I always want to make sure I know where my tens are and my ones. This time my tens are 40 plus 20 plus 30. Wow, I'm going to write that out to the side. 40 plus 20, because I like to just keep that information. Sometimes it's too much to put in my head. 40 plus 20 plus 30. Well, 4 plus 2, 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. So I have 90. Then I'm going to add my ones. I have 2 plus 8 plus 7. 2 plus 8 plus 7. And I want to check to see if I have a friend of 10. And I do. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So I have 90 plus 17. For my answer is going to be 107. Woo! Awesome job. We can now add three numbers. So let's practice. Your seesaw activity today is going to look like this. There's going to be two parts. The first part is going to have some numbers in a circle. You're going to add up those three numbers. You're going to write your number model, and then you're going to put the sum or the answer to an addition problem. Be sure to check for friends of 10 to make your adding a lot easier. But take a look at number 4. Number 4, you're going to add 4 numbers. That is a challenge. And I'm going to be seeing who can answer that one right. And your other activity in Seesaw is going to be to use some partial sums to add 3 numbers. So you're going to have a chance to do 2 activities in Seesaw. Today, we practiced learning to add 3 numbers together. We looked for friends of 10 to help us, and we used partial sums to make us become better mathematicians. I can't wait to check out your work in Seesaw. All right, my friends, get busy. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.